big rock or stuff. Now some of these evergreens, when I get a big patch like this, what I'll do is just kind of hit it at some different angles. So I'm getting under the trees a little bit. Because these are the only areas that would be a little challenging to see them, but it doesn't mean we wouldn't. Oh, it's fighting. Do you see that? Do you see the... But it's fine. That's funny. It's only 35. What did I just see? Is there another stump? Wait a minute.
That's them. Yep.
Oh my gosh. Guys.
They're together.
Okay.
They're close too. They're pretty close.
Alright, hold on. This is awesome. Give me Knuckles.
Chrissy's up. He's freezing.
He hears the drone.
He's looking around.
Probably just because it's fighting. Okay. Alright, give us... They're together. Alright, get your stuff that you need. I'm going to do a couple things.
I'm going to pant up.
We found them! Maybe they just made really good progress. Oh, I see them. They just made it a lot farther. So I'm gonna go get eyes on the dogs again. I'll let you know when I have eyes on. Hopefully the pups are still, you know, in the field. Or that little opening, whatever it's called. So that diamond, that blue diamond, is my marker.
High wind velocity. Fly with caution.
Oh, those two dots up there.
Well, they might have moved. Oh, no. There they are.
Are they moving?
I mean, they were.
Oh, yeah.
I want to get directly above them so they can use me as a reference. And what I like to do is get behind them so I can hopefully see them coming in. Alright, so they have not moved. I mean, they're moving, they're alive, but they are in the same spot. Alright, I am directly above the dogs. I'm going to see if I can see you guys.
Only thing I'll probably stop taking.
So, I would already have the food out as you're walking in. I think they may hear you guys. And honestly, I would already start to, as you're walking in, because unfortunately snowshoes are very loud, but I would start to be just Monica calling their names at a very normal speaking tone, and both of you should be holding out the bags of food. There's lots of wind. It's going to carry that odor, which is great. See if we can see him. We may not be able to see him thermally yet.
That's your left.
Okay. All right. Is that Monica? Okay, both of you stop. Both stop. Okay. I'm looking at one of you. One of you put your arms in the air. Just one.
Yeah.
Is that Monica waving her arms?
Yes.
Okay, Monica, turn slightly to your left. Slightly.
Yeah.
All right, ever so slightly to your right, just a tiny bit. All right, you are aimed directly at my drone, and you are aimed directly at the dogs, and you are 800 feet from them.
I think we are kind of going around them at the moment. There's actually a steep uphill from where it sounds where the drone is.
Yeah, so I see. I'm looking right at one of you guys, and you're coming in the right direction. I mean, you're at a slight diagonal, but you're moving in the right direction. And when you get just a little bit closer, I'm going to bring the drone back, switch batteries, and then we'll do the thing. All right, couple thoughts. I'm bringing the drone back for another battery change. Obviously, I don't know how difficult that walk out there was. There's two things we can do. One is you guys can just obviously stand by until I find them again. The other is if you want to come back here and stand by here, it could take a bit. I don't know how long this is going to take.
Okay, we are going to retrace our steps and head back towards you.
I don't think it's a bad idea. Come back here, kind of regroup a little bit. We know they're close. We just got to find them. I know they caught a whiff of that smell. So yeah, guys, come back here. Take your time.
Copy that.
All right.
What is it? Wait, what?
Are they home? They run home?
Phoenix is coming?
They ran home?
Let him in the door.
Let them right in.
Let him in the house.
I scared him home.
Hold on. Where's your? Oh crap! Where's your house from here? I
No,
want-
in the house. Let him in the house.
Call him right in. I scared him from home. Out.
Dude, it still worked.
Fell.
It still worked.
It did.
Okay. So we got the dogs.
We got them.
Oh my gosh.
We wouldn't have got them without you.
100% got the dogs.
I know.
I'm trying to see, but
I want to see
there's
them.
not enough.
But they had.
Jack, you know the dogs are standing right in front of the door right now.
You know what I was about to say, Rob? I was about to say, what if I spooked him home?
Hey, you know what?
Spooked them to the cabin.
Something. I'm not blaming I'm not saying I'm taking all the credit. I just mean there's something happened. It caused a catalyst.
Yeah.
They smelled food.
Yep.
They, it got them back to somewhere like that they recognize. Oh my gosh, I don't care. A win's a
Has
win.
that ever happened before?
Yes, a win's a win.
Dog home?
You're not alone.
Oh, yeah.
They're home there.
Okay. Well, let's go back. We'll do a reunion photo.
All right.
What a
Awesome.
funny story.
Hey.
Thank you.
Thank you so
No
much.
wonder we
All
couldn't
right.
find that.
Yay! Yeah, they were at your house.
If you ever lose out or break down in the cold, stranded on the side of the long and tired road, I would drive for miles out in the face